So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can quickly convert Markdown to HTML version online for free without using any software. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for DILLINGER.io. You can see the right URL over there. Now just simply search for it and open the site that appear right in front of you. And here it will take some time to load. Now here all you need to do is just simply paste the markdown version, and once you are done with it, it will automatically build the HTML code for the same markdown that you have. You can see you have to paste the markdown here, and you're gonna get the preview of HTML from here. You can see the features as well. It provide import a multiple HTML file versions that you can use. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.